Email marketing for wholesale. If you're a wholesaler, here are 5 wholesale email marketing strategies and tips. These will help you crack the code in getting the attention of new wholesale customers. Want to quickly increase sales and revenue for your wholesale business? Let's dive into these 5 email marketing strategies you can implement right now. Email strategy number 1. Be sure you have the correct email contact information. Most individual email addresses are not publicly known. Before you start an email marketing campaign, you need to know who you are targeting and have their correct email address at the start. Even if you do not have an email list or are wanting to learn how to build an email list instantly, there's a powerful email address and cell phone contact finding tool you can use. I will share details about this email marketing tool later in this video, so be sure to stick around until the end to find out more. Email strategy number 2. Always have more than one email target, especially for B2B prospects. When targeting business-to-business prospects, you should be emailing multiple key owners, management, decision makers, and influencers throughout the whole company, especially very large companies. You want to be sure your email is seen and gets open. Targeting multiple people in the same company increases your odds of getting an email reply. If your emails are targeting consumers, B2C or business to consumer prospects, try and get their cell phone number too. This way you have a second touch point to communicate with them instead of just going through the email marketing. Email strategy number 3. Personalize the email message. Whether you're looking to improve results on how to do email marketing or just starting out with email marketing for beginners, be sure to stand out from the crowd. The email marketing sales prospects you want to target probably get hundreds of emails on a weekly basis. In order for your email to be seen, you have to be completely different, and that means being personable. For email open rates, the subject line has got to get their attention first. You have to be highly personalized and different than any of the other emails they're getting. Be sure to personalize the body of the email message too. Email strategy number 4. Email outreach should be professional and impactful. You have one shot to make a great first impression with your cold email outreach. Do not come across as an amateur in any way, shape, or form. If you're not professional and communicate your email message effectively, you'll never get a second chance with that individual. Come across as professional, articulate, and as an equal professional on the same level as them. This will increase your chances of getting an email reply. The best outcome is having a prospect schedule a phone conversation with you for them wanting to know more about your product or service. Email strategy number 5. Send a follow-up email gently over time until you get a response. This is probably the most overlooked email marketing strategy, but it's one of the most important. If you do not get a reply from your email marketing outreach, professionally and tactfully send a follow-up email. Do not be pushy or amateurish. Do it gently. This is known as professional persistence. If you do not get an email reply, gently send a follow-up email every 7 to 14 days until you get a reply. Better yet, you can mix in sending a text message as an alternative to your follow-up email messages if you know their cell phone number. Be sure to subscribe to get more in-depth how-to tutorial videos on how to write cold emails, sales emails, follow-up emails, email subject lines, and more. Here is the powerful email marketing tool I mentioned earlier. Any wholesaler can use this tool to quickly find a sales prospect's email address and cell phone number with just a few clicks. Want to learn how to build a wholesale email list from scratch? Check out how it works. This episode is sponsored by Swordfish AI. Spend more time selling and less time prospecting. Find key decision maker contact information quickly. Personal and business email addresses, direct dial phone numbers, and the holy grail, cell phone and mobile phone numbers to call or text your prospects directly. Get your 15-day free trial today. Link in the description below. Are you looking to do a wholesale email marketing campaign? Do you have questions or challenges with your wholesale email marketing? Let me know in the comments below and we'll answer all your email marketing questions. For those wholesalers that want more in-depth strategic help, schedule a confidential email marketing strategy call with us by visiting www.insidesales.tv/call.